In this video, we're going to look at a brief history of AI, how it works, what are some of the current applications and challenges, and some of the possible future scenarios. Let's start with a quick overview of how AI came to be. The term artificial intelligence was coined in 1956 by John McCarthy, a computer scientist who organized a conference at Dartmouth College to discuss the possibility of creating machines that can think. Since then, AI has gone through several waves of progress and setbacks, depending on the availability of computing power, data, algorithms, and funding. The first wave of AI was based on symbolic logic and rules, which allowed machines to perform tasks such as playing chess or proving mathematical theorems. However, this approach had limitations in dealing with uncertainty, ambiguity, and common sense. The second wave of AI was based on statistical learning and neural networks, which allowed machines to learn from data and perform tasks such as speech recognition, natural language processing, computer vision, and machine translation. However, this approach required a lot of data and computational resources, and often lacked explainability and transparency. The third wave of AI is still emerging, and it aims to combine the strengths of the previous approaches and overcome their weaknesses. It also seeks to incorporate more human-like aspects of intelligence, such as reasoning, creativity, emotion, and ethics. Some of the technologies that are driving the third wave of AI include deep learning, reinforcement learning, generative models, knowledge graphs, cognitive architectures, and neuromorphic computing. So how does AI work? There is no single answer to this question, as different types of AI use different methods and techniques. However, a common theme is that AI systems rely on four main components: data, models, algorithms, and tools. Data is the raw material that AI systems use to learn from and make decisions. Data can come from various sources, such as text, images, audio, video, sensors, or databases. Data can be structured or unstructured, labeled or unlabeled, clean or noisy. The quality and quantity of data can affect the performance and accuracy of AI systems. Models are the representations that AI systems use to capture the patterns and relationships in the data. Models can be mathematical equations, logical rules, graphical diagrams, neural networks, or probabilistic distributions. Models can be simple or complex, linear or nonlinear, deterministic or stochastic. The choice and design of models can affect the efficiency and generalization of AI systems. Algorithms are the procedures that AI systems use to learn from the data and update the models. Algorithms can be supervised or unsupervised, semi-supervised or self-supervised, reinforcement or adversarial. Algorithms can be based on optimization, inference, search, or simulation. The selection and implementation of algorithms can affect the speed and robustness of AI systems. Tools are the software and hardware that AI systems use to store and process the data, models, and algorithms. Tools can be programming languages, frameworks, libraries, platforms, or devices. Tools can be cloud-based or edge-based, centralized or distributed, parallel or sequential. The availability and compatibility of tools can affect the scalability and interoperability of AI systems. Now that we have a basic understanding of how AI works, let's look at some of the current applications and challenges of AI in various domains. One of the most popular and widely used applications of AI is in social media and entertainment. AI powers many features and functions that we use every day, such as content recommendation, personalization, filtering, tagging, captioning, and moderation. AI also enables new forms of creative expression, such as music generation, image synthesis, video editing, and virtual reality. However, AI also poses some challenges and risks in this domain, such as privacy invasion, fake news, deepfakes, cyberbullying, addiction, and polarization. Another important and impactful application of AI is in healthcare and medicine. AI helps doctors and patients in many ways, such as diagnosis, treatment, monitoring, prevention, research, and education. AI also supports new modalities of healthcare delivery, such as telemedicine, remote sensing, wearable devices, and digital therapeutics. However, AI also faces some challenges and limitations in this domain, such as data quality, bias, fairness, accountability, transparency, and trust. A third major and promising application of AI is in education and learning. AI enhances the learning experience and outcomes for students and teachers in many aspects, such as curriculum design, assessment, feedback, tutoring, mentoring, collaboration, and gamification. AI also enables new modes of education delivery, such as online courses, adaptive learning, personalized learning, and lifelong learning. However, AI also encounters some challenges and concerns in this domain, such as data privacy, ethical values, social skills, human interaction, and diversity. These are just some examples of the current applications and challenges of AI in different domains. There are many more domains where AI is making a difference, such as transportation, manufacturing, finance, retail, agriculture, environment, security, and governance. So what does the future of AI look like? There is no definitive answer to this question, as different scenarios and visions of AI are possible, depending on the technological, social, and ethical factors that shape its development and deployment. However, here are some of the possible future scenarios of AI that have been proposed by various experts and thinkers. The optimistic scenario: AI will be a positive and beneficial force for humanity, enhancing our capabilities, solving our problems, and improving our well-being. AI will be aligned with our values, goals, and interests, and will cooperate with us in a harmonious and respectful way. AI will be transparent, explainable, and accountable, and will respect our privacy, autonomy, and dignity. AI will be diverse, inclusive, and fair, and will promote social justice and human rights. AI will be sustainable, ethical, and responsible, and will protect the environment and the common good. The pessimistic scenario: AI will be a negative and harmful force for humanity, diminishing our capabilities, creating our problems, and undermining our well-being. AI will be misaligned with our values, goals, and interests, and will compete with us in a hostile and aggressive way. AI will be opaque, incomprehensible, and unaccountable, and will violate our privacy, autonomy, and dignity. AI will be homogeneous, exclusive, and unfair, and will exacerbate social injustice and human rights violations. AI will be unsustainable, unethical, and irresponsible, and will endanger the environment and the common good. The realistic scenario: AI will be a mixed and complex force for humanity, having both positive and negative impacts on our capabilities, problems, and well-being. AI will be partially aligned with our values, goals, and interests, and will sometimes cooperate with us and sometimes compete with us. AI will be variably transparent, explainable, and accountable, depending on the context and the stakeholder. AI will be diversely inclusive or exclusive, fair or unfair, depending on the design and the deployment. AI will be contingently sustainable, ethical, and responsible, depending on the regulation and the governance. The alternative scenario: AI will be a different and novel force for humanity, challenging our assumptions and expectations about our capabilities, problems, and well-being. AI will be differently aligned with our values, goals, and interests than we are used to or comfortable with. AI will have new forms of cooperation or competition with us that we have not experienced or anticipated before. AI will have new dimensions of transparency or opacity that we have not understood or explained before. AI will have new implications for diversity or homogeneity that we have not considered or addressed before. AI will have new criteria for sustainability or unsustainability that we have not measured or evaluated before. These are just some of the possible future scenarios of AI that we can imagine or envision. There may be other scenarios that we cannot imagine or envision yet. The future of AI is not predetermined or inevitable. It is shaped by our choices and actions today. Therefore, it is important that we engage in informed and inclusive dialogue about the future of AI that we want to create or avoid. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something new and interesting. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions, please leave them below, and I'll try to answer them. See you next time.